Hi folks, I know we've covered the Meridian upgrade in the SVR F Pace before, but actually this is just such a lovely example that we completed this afternoon. I couldn't resist putting out the camera and just going through it again for any of you F Pace guys that haven't seen the video and don't know about the Meridian upgrade packs that we offer for these cars yet. So if you've got the Meridian upgrade, you're almost undoubtedly going to be disappointed with the sound quality, the rattling doors, lack of clarity, lack of power, and severe lack of bass. We solve all of these problems. So our Meridian upgrade pack involves removing the factory tweeters and replacing them with the Audison Voce at the top there. And you see how sexy they're looking there. They just look like they're meant to be. They're fantastically on axis, so they work really well in standard locations. In the door there, you've got the mid-range, which we replace with the Audison Voce 3-inch mid-range. And actually in the F Pace, we replaced the bottom woofer as well. More and more of the models which have the factory 6-inch woofer, we now replace that because they're not adequate. The models with the 8-inch woofers, like the Range Rover Sport, etc., better, so we don't always need to do it, but in this car we do. We've done a huge amount of work on these doors. I know we harp on about it, but it's so important. There's 4 layers of soundproofing in there, so you've got the sound absorber, the sound deadening, the back of the door card is deadened, etc, and it's really important. It makes a huge difference. So what we've ended up in the front is a really clear, really clean, really tight sound. We've added a subwoofer, and that's controlled by this little controller on the side of the console, so that enables you to, on the column, so it enables you to trim the bass up and down. This car's got Apple CarPlay, it's got the big screen, and actually it sounds fantastic. For the cost of the upgrade, it's absolutely amazing, which is why everyone's so happy with them. Let's take you around the back and just show you what we've done in terms of bass. Again, I know we've covered this before, but it's just worth a little look. Let's get around there. Let's use an SVR. Oh, here, look. So I can show you the factory woofers. These are the factory woofers. Oh, there's a dent now. I think maybe that's where a fly's landed on it or something. So it's like a really, really nasty, flimsy cardboard cone with a huge magnet on the back. I mean, that is a really sad looking driver, especially for a mid-bass driver. It's all thin and plasticky and just not nice at all. There's a box for the tweeters. They're the Audison Voce tweeters and they're the Audison Voce mids that we've added in the front. And if we look underneath here, done a little bit of modification, and we've put a down firing JL Audio CP108 in there. Fantastic subwoofer. We've taken all this out and soundproofed the whole floor pan to get rid of any resonance and cut down some exhaust noise before we've put that subwoofer in there. Then we've got a JL Audio Class D amplifier that's hidden away, which drives that subwoofer. What a package. What an upgrade. Nothing shows, no loss of space. There you go. Another Meridian system upgraded at Audiofile-Incar, just waiting for another very happy customer. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and have a fantastic weekend.